Okay, so this slide shows the map of the central area of Greenford with the high street in the middle and the school road on the right. We already have a set of traffic lights in the high street at the junction with Station Road, but we are planning to have another set at the other end at the school road junction to regulate the flow of traffic along the high street. We considered we definitely need a pedestrian crossing. We considered putting this on school road just outside the school, but in the end we decided it could lead to a lot of traffic congestion. So we decided to locate it on the high street, crossing the road in front of the supermarket. That's a very busy area, so it can help things there. We are proposing some changes to parking. At present, parking isn't allowed on the high street outside the library, but we are going to change that and allow parking there and not on the other end of the high street near school road. There'll be a new no parking sign on school road. No parking sign on school road. Just by the entrance to the school, forbidding parking for 25 meters. This should improve visibility for drivers and pedestrians, especially just on the bend, just to the north of the school. New disabled parking spaces. As far as disabled drivers are concerned, at present they have parking outside the supermarket, but lorry also use those places. So we've got two new disabled parking spaces on the side road up towards the bank. It's not ideal, but probably better than the present arrangement. Widen pavement. They are planning to widen the pavement on the school road. Pavement on school road. We managed to get an extra half meter on school, we get an extra half meter on the bench and just before you get to school, on the same side of the road. Finally, we've introduced new restrictions. We've introduced new restrictions on unloading and unloading for the supermarket are present. So lorries will also be allowed to stop there before 8 a.m. That's a supermarket on School Road. We kept the existing arrangements with the high street supermarket.